Hey everybody, this is a continuation. Sorry about that, we got cut off previously. This is a continuation of desktop publishing for Tuesday, April 28th. We had just finished the mod clock project, and we now have moved on to page 4-10, and we're going to talk about using the Shear tool. So we're going to open up 4-2 from our data files. Okay. We're going to select the entire word here. Just click on it using your selection tool. We're going to go to Edit Copy, and then Edit Paste in Front. We're going to fill that copy with this gray, graphite color. Hold on, we're going to have to undo it. That needed to be in the front, so I'm going to undo that again. There we go. Okay, so let's try that again. I'm going to click on Shear. First of all, we forgot to save it. So let's do a save as. Sorry about that. We're going to go to Desktop Publishing, Illustrator, and we're going to save it as Shear 2020. Okay. So once you select it, we're going to choose Edit Copy, and then Edit Paste in Front. And then we're going to fill that. Oh, I know why I wasn't in the fill. So I need to be in the fill mode and color, and then I'm going to switch that to graphite. There we go. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to click the Shear tool. The Shear tool is underneath the Scale tool. If you hold that down, you'll see the Shear tool. Okay. We're going to press and hold the Alt key, and I want you to click the bottom right anchor point of the letter R. Okay, so the bottom right of the letter R. There we go. And then we're going to put 45 degrees for our shear angle. You're going to make sure that horizontal is chosen. And then we're going to click OK. Okay. Now we're going to switch back to the Scale tool, which is underneath the Shear tool. Okay. And we're going to hold down the Alt key. And we're going to click any bottom anchor point. Doesn't matter which one. Okay. And it opens up the Scale dialog box. And we want to make sure that the non-uniform is chosen. Our horizontal is going to be 100 and our vertical is going to be 50, and then we're going to click OK. And then we're going to go to Object, Arrange, and then we're going to choose Send to Back. There we go. And then we're going to click our selection tool. We're going to click off of that. We're going to click our orange shear. We're going to switch to our stroke, and we're going to apply a 1-point black stroke to that. And that's it. And you're going to save this. And then you're going to also turn that into Google Classroom. Okay. All right. And then we're going to continue. We're going to do one more page here, 4-11. Okay. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to open up 4-11. I'm sorry, 4-3. I'm on page 4-11. We're opening up 4-3. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're going to save this as Reflect. So File, Save As. You're going to go to your Illustrator folder. And we're going to call this Reflect. Okay. All right. So we're going to choose Select All. Okay. And then we're going to click the Reflect tool. Oops. Hold on one second. Okay, so Select All. There we go. The reflect tool is underneath the rotate tool. Okay. And then you're going to hold down your Alt key. And then you want to click the top anchor point right here. Okay. And then we're going to choose the vertical option button for the axis. And then we're going to choose copy. And that's a reflection. Okay. It just kind of makes the mirror image. Then deselect everything. And then we're going to choose the direct selection tool, which is the white arrow. And then if you look on figure 12, use that as a guide. You're going to drag a selection box around the top 2 anchor points to select them. Okay. So right there. Okay. Actually, it needs to be a little bit smaller. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm going to zoom in a little. I think it would be easier if I zoomed in right there. There we go. Okay, so direct selection, and you want to draw a box right like that. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to choose object, path, average, and then we're going to click on the both button, and then we're going to click OK. And then we're going to choose object, path, join. We're going to choose smooth, and then we're going to click OK. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing with the bottom 2. Okay, so we're going to choose the direct selection tool. We're going to select like there. We're going to do object, path, average, and then we're going to keep that both, and then we're going to hit OK, and then object, path, join, smooth, and OK. And now it has saved your work. Okay, so now you're going to save this. And then you're going to also turn this into Google Classroom. So you'll have 2 assignments due today. And that's it. Hope you guys have a great day.